Hi everybody, welcome to this 5-minute easy makeup look tutorial that I have made for you guys today. It literally only takes me 5 minutes to get this look done in the morning since I don't have enough time. I do have a 3-year-old little princess to also take care of. So this is my go-to makeup look, my pretty much everyday go-to makeup look if I don't have time to get dolled up. And I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit so you guys can see how it looks. So yeah, it's pretty basic, it's pretty easy. If you want to see how I got this look done, just keep watching and let's get started. Alright guys, so first I'm going to start off by applying my Neutrogena Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. And I love this moisturizer because my skin tends to get a little dry at this time of the year, so I love how this moisturizer feels on my skin, and it doesn't mess up my makeup or anything. It actually makes my foundation go on pretty smooth, so I love this moisturizer. I'm just gonna apply that everywhere, all over my face. The next product that I'm going to be using is my foundation, my Makeup Forever foundation in color Y375, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. And I'm trying to rush it because this is my makeup routine that I usually do in the morning, so I'm trying to show you guys how quick and easy you can get this look. Next, I'm just going to rub it in. Okay, so once I'm done applying my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX concealer, and it's in the color CW06. I'm just going to apply that really quick to my under eyes. I don't want to look tired. I'm trying to look wide awake like I got enough sleep last night. I am a single mom, so sometimes I don't get as much sleep as I want, especially with my daughter being sick lately. So you want to just apply just a little bit of concealer so you can look somewhat bright and awake, right? Make your eyes look nice and bright. Next, I'm going to use my NYX matte bronzer in the color medium MBB03. And I love bronzer because it can be used as a multi-purpose blush, eyeshadow, or just to bronze all over your face. So I'm going to go ahead and use it as an eyeshadow. And I just quickly apply that onto my lid. Then apply that onto my other eyelid. So apply that to both of my eyes really quick, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my blending brush and just blend that in. If you feel like you need a little more, you can always just go back. You can always just go back and add a little more to your eyelid. And then just blend it in. I love it. I love to just add bronzer, especially if I'm in a rush, you know, in the morning when I don't have time to do anything. If you're in a rush, just add a little bronzer to your face, add some color, and you're good. You're good to go. Good to walk outside and not look like you're The Walking Dead. All crazy. No, I'm kidding. Next, what I'm going to do is use my bronzer, same bronzer that I've been using to bronze my forehead. Just the top of my forehead a little bit. And I'm also going to use it to bronze my cheeks. You can also go in and just kind of blend that with the same brush that you've been using. Blend the top of your eyelids. Go. I don't want to use black eyeliner because I don't want my eyeliner to look too bold, so I'm going to use my brown eyeliner by Marc Jacobs, the color Earthquake. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and apply just a bit on my bottom waterline. Next, I'm going to take my Voluminous in Carbon Black, my Voluminous mascara, and I'm going to apply just a bit. Actually, I'm gonna be quite generous. I'm going to apply like 2 or 3 coats to my eyelashes because I do want my eyelashes to stand out since I'm not doing, since I'm not using a lot of eyeshadow or a lot of makeup. I do want my eyelashes to stand out and look very bold. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. And I have to be very careful since my eyelashes are really long. I tend to get makeup and mascara on my eyelids, so I have to be very careful when I apply it. I got lucky with these eyelashes, guys. My dad has really long eyelashes, so me and my brothers and sisters got pretty long eyelashes too, so I guess it's a good thing. Sometimes I don't need to use fake eyelashes since my eyelashes are already really long. I'm also going to do a coat on the bottom lashes. And I'm not going to do too much on the bottom, I'm just going to do that one coat. Okay. Okay, we're going to use some blush, and I'm going to use Passionate by Sephora. And just put that on the apples of my cheeks. I love blush. It always just makes such a huge difference to any makeup look. Alright guys, and for my lips, I'm going to go ahead and use this Bobbi Brown color in Blush Rose. And I'm just going to apply that with my finger. Take that and oops. That does tend to happen when I'm in a rush, so I get that outside of my lips, but we're gonna go ahead and apply that onto your lips. And I also go in with my Burt's Bees Pomegranate Lip Balm, and just to add a little bit of moisturizer. We have to use just a little bit of highlighter. And I'm going to use my Master Chrome by Maybelline and just apply a little bit of that onto my top of my cheekbones there. Just a little bit on the tip of my nose just to give it that appearance of being lifted just a bit. And top of my lip just a little bit. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my finger. My pinky, and I'm going to apply just a bit on the inner corner of my eyes. And And that's it. That was my quick 5-minute makeup look that I would say you can do every day if you don't have time in the morning, you know, whatever it is that you're doing, if you're going to work, if you're a single mom, if you're just a mom and you're taking your kids to school and you don't have time to do your makeup. This is the quickest basic makeup look that you can do on yourself. So it's pretty easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and you liked it. If you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or there's anything in particular that you'd like to see, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I'm going to leave a picture of this look on my Instagram. You can go ahead and follow me there. I'm going to leave the link right on this side. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more future tutorials. Thank you guys always so much for watching. And to all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for your sweet comments. They mean so much to me. And I hope you guys have a beautiful and wonderful day. Until next time, bye.